Imagine a moment of silence, a brief pause in the rush of life. Have you ever felt like the world is so loud, like you're constantly bombarded by noise, distractions, and expectations? What if I told you that within the stillness in solitude, there is a deep and transformative power, a wisdom as old as time itself? Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, once said, "The one who keeps himself away from evil and seeks solitude is the best among them." This is a message that resonates even more today, in a world filled with constant connection yet increasing disconnection from our true selves and our Creator. In today's video, we will uncover profound lessons from Islam about the beauty and strength found in solitude. It's not about loneliness, it's about finding yourself, connecting with Allah, and nurturing your soul. Let's explore why being alone might just be the key to unlocking a deeper, more peaceful, and spiritually fulfilling life. 1. Embrace solitude over foolish company. Have you ever been surrounded by people yet felt completely alone? Sometimes, being in the wrong company can drain us more than being by ourselves. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The example of a good companion in comparison with a bad one is like that of the musk seller and the blacksmith's bellows. A good friend leaves you with a sweet scent of goodness, but a bad one fills your lungs with smoke." Solitude gives us the space to protect our hearts from harmful influences. It allows us to turn inward, focusing on our personal growth and our connection with Allah. In this quiet, we can truly hear the call of our soul. 2. Spend time alone to know yourself. When was the last time you looked deep within yourself? Not the version of you that the world sees, but the real you, the one who questions, the one who dreams, the one who seeks truth. Allah tells us in the Qu'ran, "And in the earth are signs for those who are certain, and in yourselves. Then will you not see?" Solitude is the key to this self-discovery. Away from distractions, we can reflect on our strengths, our weaknesses, and what truly matters. It's a chance to align our actions with our values, and most importantly, to understand where we need to improve. In this quiet reflection, we find clarity, purpose, and a stronger connection to Allah. 3. Don't be afraid of loneliness. Loneliness can be one of the most painful feelings, but it can also be the most profound. Look at the story of Prophet Joseph, alone in a prison cell, cut off from the world, yet he never lost hope, never lost faith. In his isolation, he found strength. In Islam, being alone does not mean being abandoned. Allah is always with us, closer than our own heartbeat. In these moments of loneliness, we can find comfort in His presence, a chance to pour out our hearts in prayer, and to emerge stronger and more resilient. In this quiet space, we can explore our passions, our dreams, and our beliefs without external pressures. It's in these moments that we gain clarity on our purpose, understanding what truly matters, and how we can live a life that aligns with our faith and values. 5. Value the power of being an individual. Each of us is unique. Allah created us with our own strengths, challenges, and purposes. We are not meant to blend in, but to stand out, each with our own path to walk. Quran reminds us that on the Day of Judgment, every one of them will come to Him alone. Solitude allows us to reflect on our actions and intentions without the influence of others. It helps us appreciate our individuality and the personal relationship we have with Allah. In this space, we build inner strength, resilience, and a deeper sense of self-worth grounded in our faith. 6. Detachment from the dunya. This world, as beautiful and tempting as it may seem, is fleeting. The Quran describes the dunya as amusement and diversion, like a flower that blooms but soon withers away. Solitude teaches us to detach from the material distractions of life, to focus on what truly lasts, our relationship with Allah. When we step away from the hustle and bustle of daily life, we can see the dunya for what it really is: test, a temporary stop on our way to something far greater. In these moments of solitude, we can reconnect with our spiritual core, find contentment, and remember the ultimate purpose of our existence. 7. Strengthen your connection with Allah. There is nothing more beautiful than the silence of the night, when the world sleeps, and it's just you and Allah. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, often sought solitude in the stillness of the night, praying, reflecting, and seeking closeness to his Creator. In these moments, we can engage in deep prayer, remembering Allah and finding comfort in His presence. It's a time for sincere supplication, or pouring out our hearts and seeking guidance. It's in this solitude that we build an unbreakable bond with Allah, finding peace, strength, and purpose. Being alone isn't something to fear, something to cherish. It's in solitude that we discover who we truly are, we strengthen our faith, and that we find a deeper connection with Allah. So take these moments of quiet and let them transform you. Thank you for watching. If this video touched your heart, please like, share, and subscribe for more uplifting Islamic content. Assalamu alaikum.